Merienda. Pinoy tasty. Palaman. Reno. At kape. Malamig black coffee to. Yung tubig nag-ielo. Siyempre, tinunaw ko muna sa mainit na tubig. Bagya, para matunaw yung kape at asukal. Kaya nilagyan ko na siya ng yung nag-ielong tubig galing sa rep. Kaya malamig yan. Merienda po tayo, kaibigan. Alas 4 na pala.
I'll let you guys go first. Shorty is very lucky. The outcome could have been very different, but in a few more weeks, he's going to be back to his normal self.
It's indescribable. It's absolutely amazing. The greatest feeling ever. We couldn't have asked for a better outcome. Come on, crazy. Come on. What are you doing?
Not worried about this. That's awesome.
It is very good. As you can tell. She's back to one of the things she always did. I just didn't realize how important dental care was. As this has happened, I realized that I have to, be proactive about their dental care for all my animals. Junior is doing so much better.
I'm really happy that he's healthy. I truly hope that he's my baby. The way he's like at the table with me.
She really has this bond with this creature. It's amazing.
Kira. At first, the cast really slowed Kira down. No, the cast does not slow Kira down at all. She's very important to me. I didn't know I could love the cat so much. The bite's now flipped, so I made it as safe as I possibly can. I don't think anything like this will ever happen.
He's definitely the boss. He's our dog. He doesn't let many people get near us. He is completely back to himself now. He loves to run and play with the kids. 6 years old and he still acts and plays like a little puppy. He is. Cutie.
Oh, dear therapy. I think my ideal.
Sabihin mo sa akin, kung paano kita matutulungan, anak. Hindi pinayagan ng budget na i-release yung mga pera.
Oh, yeah.
So, hinangaman nila. I mean, si Congressman Canto said as much. Sabi niya, Marcos, President Marcos, yes, the insertion. Kasi hindi i-release specifically because
including a 20 million in flood control project.
actually meron din may final control.
Kaya merienda. Hindi pala ako nakain ng
Kasi
kape.
kahit kung anong isaksak dyan ng mga congressmen sa mga pwedeng i-hold nila yung release. At until the last moment hanggang gumagapon na yung mga yun sa mga release na mga nila.
Ano ba? Million ba?
But good to see education is back at number one as constitutionally mandated, 9 to 8.5. I feel good.
Wait for the bike of kaya na di mo ano eh.
Ah,
Tingin mo, nasa ka, ano, kaya tingin mo yung detalye ng education, baka kasama na naman din yung mga schools na ano, na hindi naman dapat kasama ang education.
Yeah.
PNP,
Para tumaas yung mga DepEd, may mga sinama sila na usually hindi kasama.
Kasi hindi mo with the AFP or the PFP or DND.
Yan. Titignan natin yung yung paling na profile.
Like last year, yung NEP was medyo not controversial until they started tinkering with the with everything from the committee level up to the bike.
Well, that's why they're saying it's
Tapos na kong merienda.
budget.
Right, share. Share na siya. Nakamerienda na po. Panginoong kaibigan, Jesus. Brother Manny Bautista. Thank you for watching. God bless all. That's all.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes,